These massive pink slicks signal the start of perhaps the grandest courtship event in nature. In certain years, when the lake is at its richest, more than 1 million lesser flamingos congregate to feed. It's now, when they're in their prime, that they must find their preferred partner. To do that, they perform a remarkable promenade. With heads held high and neck feathers ruffled, making them look as pink as possible, more and more birds join in the courtship march, and pairs begin to bond. Small groups merge with larger ones until almost 1,000 flamingos are on the move. From the equator to the poles, birds have found the most ingenious ways of overcoming the many challenges of life. And everything revolves around their unique attribute, feathers.